If you want to know how to connect a GitHub repo to Claude Projects, I'm going to walk you through the full process step by step. This is a great way to give Claude context from your codebase so it can help you understand files, troubleshoot issues, generate ideas, and work more effectively with your repository. And if you find this useful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the Claude web interface in your browser. Once you're in Claude, go to Projects. If you already have a project set up, you can open that one. If not, create a new project so you have a dedicated space for your repository context. Inside your project, look for the Knowledge section. This is where you can add sources and connect useful references for Claude to use. To link your repo, click the plus button in that project knowledge area. When the menu appears, select GitHub. This tells Claude that you want to bring in code from a GitHub repository. Next, you'll need to choose the repository you want to connect. You can paste your repository URL directly, or search for the repo if it's already connected to your GitHub account. Depending on your setup, you may also be able to narrow it down and select specific files or folders instead of adding the entire codebase. That's really helpful if you only want Claude to focus on a certain part of the project, like your front end, back end, documentation, or configuration files. Once you've selected the repo or the specific files you want, confirm the import into your project context. Claude will now be able to use that codebase information when you ask questions inside the project. This makes it much easier to get answers that are relevant to your actual repository instead of general advice. After that, don't forget the sync step. Look for the sync icon and click it to keep Claude updated with the latest changes in your repository. This is important because your codebase can change over time, and syncing makes sure Claude is working with the most current version of your files. If you update your repo later, just sync again so Claude stays aligned with the latest code. A few quick tips before you go. If your repo is large, start with the most important folders first so the context stays focused. If you're working on a feature or bug, add only the files that matter to that task. And if Claude ever seems to miss something, check that the repo is synced and that the correct files are included in the project. And that's it. You now know how to connect a GitHub repo to Claude Projects, select the right codebase, and keep everything synced for up-to-date help. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Claude tutorials in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.